I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I'm Maria Emmerich, and I'm in the Swerve kitchen marrying my two favorites, ice cream and pumpkin spice. It's delicious. All you need are these 5 ingredients and an ice cream maker. But let me tell you, if you don't have an ice cream maker, you can make these into popsicle molds. It's just as delicious. So all you need is coconut milk, full-fat coconut milk, or if you can do dairy, you can use heavy cream, that's just fine. And I'm gonna use Brown Swerve, which is just delicious. And I'm going to add pumpkin, right? Pumpkin's gonna make it nice and creamy and beautiful orange color. And I'm gonna add some vanilla. And then I have my pumpkin spice mix. I also have a little bit of salt in that mix. And the reason why I add salt is because salt is a flavor enhancer. I also use salt in ice cream because it helps keep the ice cream soft. Now that it's all blended, I'm going to pour this right into my ice cream maker. All right, scrape that all out. We want all the goodness in there. And then you're going to put the whisk attachment in, put this cover on. One tip, make sure that the ice cream insert is frozen. People have told me, Maria, my ice cream never froze. You have to make sure that it's nice and cold. You're gonna turn it on, and it's gonna take about 15 minutes, but then once it's done, it's delicious goodness you're gonna have to try. You're gonna turn it off and take the top off, and you're gonna take this insert out and scrape off all of this yummy goodness, and you can see just how frozen it is. Make sure it's nice and hard. If you want a harder ice cream, this can go directly into your freezer, or if you can't wait, you just take that ice cream scoop and you start dishing it up into bowls, and then you can garnish it with whatever you want. Maybe a little bit of extra cinnamon, maybe a cinnamon stick, and you have a delicious dessert. Pumpkin pie sorbet, you gotta try it. And I'm Maria. The recipe is in the link below, and thank you for joining me in the Swerve Kitchen.